So who else loves TikTok? I have to say TikTok is one of my favorite entertainment-based platforms as of right now. And if you agree and you don't want to see it banned, make sure you absolutely smash that like button. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions, and today we're going to be talking about Microsoft to buy TikTok. What I want to highlight here is the news that I've read up about Microsoft and this overall acquisition, but I also want to talk about it and follow up with our comments from the Sunday Stock Talk. I want to first talk about it on the technical aspect, and please share your opinion down in the comment section. If you don't agree with me, then share why in the comment section, as again, the only way that we can make consistent progress is if we learn from one another. So I'm all open ears. What I want to talk about is yesterday, during our Sunday Stock Talk, we talked about Microsoft hitting previous highs on the 180-day chart right around $216 a share. It's showing signs here twice before. It sold off due to earnings. It was consolidating at the SMA line, and it made sense. We talked about this yesterday, how it was almost a perfect setup for this positive catalyst of the acquisition, or the potential acquisition of TikTok. It was testing the SMA line. We could see that that has been a previous support level. It was almost a formula for success. It was already showing signs of this potential reversal, and this overall positive catalyst just drove it through the roof. And just like we talked about yesterday, it wasn't much of a surprise to see it kind of gap up and clear nearly 5% based off of previous highs. And now the question that a lot of people are still asking is it too late to buy Microsoft? One of the things that I just, again, want to be super blunt about, in my opinion, yes. And please just hear me out. If you don't agree with me, I want to hear you out in the comment section. But based off of previous highs, I do agree. It can continue to make new 180-day highs. But one of the things that we have to understand is that Microsoft has up until, according to the article that I read, September 15th, and was given 45 days to set up a deal with the acquisition of TikTok. The other thing that I want to talk about is, what is Microsoft's edge? One of the things that we know is Microsoft is great when it comes down to acquiring companies for data purposes, especially for where it makes a lot of its revenue, which is of course the overall Xbox and gaming niche. So by being able to collect data from TikTok users, think about it. A lot of very young users that are using the platform, and just imagine being able to run ads or collect that data to retarget that audience for gaming purposes and gaming services that they specifically offer. That can be an edge, of course, on top of many more. The other thing that I want to talk about is the current idea of the acquisition is already factored into the current price point. This is something that a lot of people don't understand, and it's something that we've tried to preach from time to time. Because it pushes up exponentially within a very short period of time, a lot of times, more often than not, it reaches a resistance level, and then once that hype or overall demand gets shifted, we quickly see a correction or a recovery. Can it continue to uptrend? Of course, just as much as it could correct itself back to the SMA line. This acquisition has not happened, and if it does not end up going through, right, a lot of things can go wrong. If you disagree with me, then of course I would love to learn more about why you think Microsoft can continue to rally, especially when it has not even closed the overall acquisition of TikTok, and it has up until September 15th. And the last thing that I want to talk about is, of course, the market saw a very, very big push today. It just made new 180-day highs on /NQ, which is the NASDAQ future. So this is something that, again, is playing with Microsoft. This is bullish. Now we reached previous highs, and based off of previous highs, we can see that we normally get rejected here. And it's great based off of the opportunities that are presented within the day, but one of the things that we must understand is that we are now overbought. And if we begin to pull back, then again, the same thing can happen with Microsoft, which is why it's so important to understand your overall intention and place with that specific stock in comparison to if you're a day trader or an investor. Know your place. And one of the sayings that we have within our Learn Plan Profit group is never be afraid to lock in profits. I had a lot of fun trading TQs today. TQs is the correlating ETF that follows TQ.com/NQ. So as long as the market is bullish, then so is TQs. I've been having a lot of fun with it, just playing around with about 1 to 200 shares. And so far, I'm up a little bit over $280 on the day and very excited to follow up. I appreciate your guys' time. Again, if you guys learned something new, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you guys haven't done so already, we do have our free investing group, which is the first link down below. We have a little bit over 287,000 members all over the world. So if you're new to trading and you want to connect with other like-minded individuals, it's absolutely for free, and it's that first link down below. Also, if you guys want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, take 2 minutes. Click the second link down below, scroll down here, get a taste of what it's like to watch me trade live by watching this video. And if you want to join us for tomorrow's live trading session, which we host every single day, again, that's that second link down below. I appreciate you guys' time, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.